Hello, Super Tech Buzz, new product in, and today we're going to give you a quick first look and unboxing of the new SJCAM action camera C200 Pro, which has got Wi-Fi 5GHz and 2.4, touchscreen, 5M body waterproof, 4K ultra high definition, and gyroscope stabilization. So it's a pretty cool little camera indeed. And you've got your app on Android and iOS there, as you can see, and on the back here it'll show us what we get inside and all that kind of stuff there. And you can see the specifications there. So video is 4K at 30, 1080 at 120. Photo is 20 megapixels, 16, 14 and 12. And again, your Wi-Fi stuff there. So you get your bits inside that we're going to take a look at. And we'll get straight into it so we can get moving and get testing, as they say. So we'll just get this cover off here. And that's that. So inside we have got all this, so you can see it there in the box. I'm going to move this back a small bit and see what we have in here, and let's go. So you get a cleaning cloth and all the little bits and pieces that you require. So you can put this onto a helmet, onto your bike. You could use it as a dash cam. It's a multi-functional little piece of kit, which is pretty cool. So let's see, so you've got your 3M stickers there, you've got one of your mounts here which you can mount it onto, your cable, 3.5 or USB and USB-A and USB-C, you've got another mount here, both again with 3M pads, and we have got another mount here, so that's a clip, pretty cool, and we have got this guy. So this is like, we'll go on it there, similar to what's on it there now. So just pop this out here. And you've also got a booklet, 4K anti-shake camera. Alright, let's get this out. Move this to one side. And that's it there. So this is the waterproof case here. And it says it goes that way, so that will open out like that, and you'll be able to remove it, and it's come on there by itself. But there you can see straight out what you can do, and this is your camera here, and this is a mount here which you can mount it onto whatever you want to do. So or you can just use it in your hand if you want to do so, or attach it to a tripod. And this is a different guy here, but a plastic version. So pretty much similar there. You can see there's a gap to access whatever's underneath there. Try and get this off, and there we go. So that's it there. Pretty cool and small. So you've got your button there, so that will obviously give some actions which you'll check out when we're reviewing. And you've got a touch screen on the back as well, which is pretty nice. So there's your settings in there, and that's pretty much it, but we'll show you all those in the full review. And you've got image size, burst mode and selfie timer in there, and you've got date and time, and you've got your format, your SD card, and that's it in there. And then you've got your photograph up here, and you've got your battery power up here on this side, and you can go home in here, so you can swipe across. Video, still, video lapse, slow record, car mode. Yeah, as I mentioned, we would expect a dash cam kind of mode in it, and that's pretty much it in there. So you can see what's going on, and that's it's pretty cool. So you've got lots of features in there, and then you've got the apps as well. So you've got live broadcast too, fishing mode, so you can go fishing, look underwater, starry sky delay, driving shell mode, video lapse, and that's it there. Back to the start. So you've got little buttons here on the side as well, which has M, and you've got your Wi-Fi connection there. So this is probably your modes, which we'll test out. And you have another button here, and that's actually just for charging with your USB, and you put your SD card in there. So that slots in there like that and closes up. But just see the size of this, it's tiny. It's really cool. So with that, we've also got this guy here, and if I just open this up, So this is a magnetic mount, so you can just slot it in there like so, and then you can put that in behind your shorts or t-shirt and wear it like so, which is excellent. So you get a real good view of what's going on if you're recording there, and of course you've got an SD card to pop into it as well. So we're ready to go out of the box, and that's really it for the minute. So stay tuned in the next week or two while we take her out and test her out. But so far pretty impressed with the quality and what features are on it, and hopefully we can get good video footage and so on over the coming weeks, and whatever else we can do with it, because there's a lot you can do, but even just holding it like this is pretty cool. So you can just use it like that for doing your footage. So you've got your languages is in there as well, and your date and time which we need to set, and more here. So let's go up and down. So you've got other options here: fast record, quick capture, work LED, keypad tone off, auto power off, voice broadcast, LCD brightness, screensavers. You've got Wi-Fi spectrum, and you've got Wi-Fi, put it on to 2.4. So spectrum, Wi-Fi spectrum, some mobiles do not support 5G. So you got your Wi-Fi in there, your default setting, and your software version in there. And that's pretty much it. So that's what you can kind of expect for the moment. But do ask us any questions if you've got any in the meantime while we test it out, and stay tuned for the full review soon. And we'll talk to you then.